As some of you may know, Shopify released a new theme this year called Horizon, and it is extremely powerful. What makes Horizon so powerful is the ability to manipulate content all around the page in dynamic layouts. If we go over to Horizon inside the Shopify theme customizer, and we start to click into some of the settings, we notice that we have way more settings and adjustments that we can make compared to Shopify's previous theme, Dawn. Most Shopify sites are on Dawn, and it's a really fantastic theme because it is really simple and easy to use and set up, but it is also extremely limiting. You can't really change much inside of Dawn, and it's really just meant for a simple store setup. For example, if we click into this rich text section here, and we click into our headings and text, we'll notice that there really isn't much information that we have within the settings, and we can't really make much adjustments. If we go back over into Horizon and we load up a similar section to what we had in Dawn, so I'm just going to load up the custom content section, we'll be able to add in a group block just to demonstrate the power of Horizon. So if we go over into, I think it's under layout, we can select group, and then we'll be able to select a heading and a description, which is just called text. And then we'll notice that within the group, we even have really awesome, powerful settings where we're able to go horizontal, and then we can display the content really in any way that we see fit. Now, I'm not going to go through and start editing a ton of the sections because I will do that in another tutorial. Now, by judging of the thumbnail of this video, I want to explain how you can add certain Horizon sections into Dawn. And what I want to show you is that inside of my theme over here, inside of Horizon, I do have this section called Content. It has a lot of the same settings and inputs. You have your group layout where you can make vertical and horizontal adjustments. And it's actually very similar to the Horizon architecture. And this section was added by an app that I've been working on for a better part of a year called Flexi Theme Sections. And once the app's installed, you can actually add in sections that are very similar to Horizon directly into your Dawn theme. So I'm going to demonstrate how that works today. Now, if we go back into our online store and go into apps and then load up Flexi, we can actually browse the library and we can add the content section over here. Now, you can actually sign up for the starter plan, which is absolutely free, so you can use this section that I am showing you in this video. And then we are going to select our Dawn theme and add it directly in. So I'm going to hit add section here. Now, once the section's installed, you can navigate back over to your Dawn theme, and then you can hit add section. You might need to refresh your page just for the section to show, and then we'll be able to add in the content section down over here. And there you go. Now we have a group block exactly how it displays in Horizon, where we can adjust things like vertical direction and horizontal and make mobile adjustments. And we also have a ton of different text adjustments that we can make too. Now, one thing to note is that over on the left-hand side under the app embeds, you will need to just toggle on the buttons, the theme, and the typography app embed just to squeeze out a little bit more functionality and make even more adjustments with inside of the theme. If you like this tutorial, you should consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Will be making weekly tutorials for agencies, freelancers, anyone working on building Shopify sites. And throughout the weeks, we're just going to keep building cool shit and publishing it to the internet.